In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Dashlane on Windows. By the end, you'll have the Dashlane browser extension installed in Google Chrome on your Windows PC, which is the easiest and most secure way to use Dashlane day to day. We'll move carefully through each click so nothing feels confusing, and I'll share quick tips along the way to help you avoid common hiccups. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer and go to the official Dashlane website. This quick visit helps you confirm the product you're about to install and ensures you recognize the brand and logo when you see it in the Chrome Web Store. You don't need to download anything from the site itself for this process. The actual installation will happen through Chrome's extension system. Keep the browser window open and make sure you're signed into your own Chrome profile if you use profiles. Now, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the small puzzle-shaped icon. That's the extensions button, and it's where Chrome groups all installed extensions and related controls. In the panel that opens, click Manage Extensions. This takes you to Chrome's extensions page in a new tab, which is the control center for everything you add to your browser. If you don't see the puzzle icon, you can also open the menu with the three dots, then choose Extensions and Manage Extensions. On the extensions page, look for the link that says Open Chrome Web Store, typically in the lower left sidebar. Click it. This launches the official Chrome Web Store in a new tab. Using the store is important because it verifies developers and handles installation securely, so you're not downloading files from random sources. In the Chrome Web Store, type Dashlane into the search bar and press Enter. Find the official Dashlane extension and click it to open the details page. Confirm it's the legitimate listing by checking the developer name and overall ratings. Click Add to Chrome, and when the permissions prompt appears, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension, then show a brief notification that it's been added. If you want quick access, click the puzzle icon again and press the pin next to Dashlane so it stays visible on your toolbar. You may see a Welcome tab open. That's normal and simply confirms the install. If the Add to Chrome button is unavailable, update Chrome and try again, or check whether an administrator manages your device. That's it. You went to Dashlane, opened the Extensions menu, chose Manage Extensions, jumped into the Chrome Web Store, searched for Dashlane, and added the extension. You're ready to use Dashlane on Windows.